Oh, naku, balita para sa lahat ng mga followers ng Mayward. Engaged na po si Edward, mga kaibigan. So, wala na talagang May at Ward. Ward na lang po. Hindi natin kilala to si girl. Ang sabi dito, life ran so slowly for Edward back in 2020 to 2022. Or maybe that was just May. But now, in 2026, it is flying by just as fast. Got a girlfriend, became a pastor, and now he is engaged. You even beat your older sisters to it. Ha ha ha. Congratulations, Eduardo. That is my wonderful fiance, Ricky. Si Ricky pala ang pangalan ni girl. Grabe namang life update yan, Eduardo. Congratulations, ba? Exactly, right for my username. Change was so happy for my Eduardo Cohen. OMG, engaged na si Edward. Wow, happy for Edward. OMG, sabi dito ni Angel, engaged na siya. Dottie is saying, here she goes again with the auntie vibes. Ha ha ha. And yes, mga kaibigan, it is just okay. Oh, ilang taon na ba si Edward? Kung si Mama ay 28, so 3 years younger, so 25 si Edward. So, gusto nang mag-settle down ng isang Edward John Bobbers, mga kaibigan. Ngayong isa na siyang pastor at gusto nang mag-settle down ni Edward John Barber, mga kaibigan. Congratulations, Edward. Dong Edward! You finally met your destiny. Alexander Lexa Jewels, magandang morning. Ikaw, May, kailan ba yung engagement mo din? Charot. Enjoy mo muna yung showbiz life mo. And then, malapit ka na rin, May, 28 ka na ngayon. So, 2 years more at mawawala ka na sa kalendaryo. Pero, depende sa'yo yan. O, diba? Nasa inyo ni Joaquin kung kailan nyo gusto rin mag-settle down. Charot. Don't feel pressured kasi kami lang to. O, diba? Alexander Lexa Jules, magandang morning.